Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your website with Hostinger Websites Builder and want to use professional email with Microsoft 365, you don't need to move your website or rebuild anything. You only need to connect Microsoft email using the correct DNS records. Most people break email because they confuse website hosting with email hosting. We will separate them cleanly. Okay, so in this step-by-step guide I will show you how to connect Hostinger websites builder to Microsoft in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, get Microsoft DNS record. So log in to Microsoft Admin Center. Okay, after that, go to settings, go to domain, select your domain, choose setup email or exchange online. Microsoft will give you several DNS records. The essential ones are MX record, so type, host, value, priority. Exact value is unique to your domain, so copy it exactly. Open your domain's DNS manager, so go where your DNS is managed: Hostinger, GoDaddy, Namecheap, Cloudflare, any registrar. Open DNS settings or DNS records, and all all email configuration happens here. Okay, so in DNS, remove all existing MX records: Google, Hostinger, Mail. Add Microsoft's MX record. Okay, host, type, value, priority. Okay, so only one email provider should have MX records. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.